Okay, everyone, I've got some really exciting news. So for those of you who've been wondering where I've been all of this time, I have been working on a brand new course, which I will be releasing tomorrow. It's called Composing and Producing in Ableton Live, the Newcomer's Guide. Now, the great thing about it is it's over 6 hours long, and I'm going to be releasing the first 3 hours on YouTube for everyone to watch for free. I'm going to be releasing all of these videos over the next 3 weeks, and listen up. For everyone who's been wondering if I'm going to be putting out any discounts, I will be, but only for people who are actually on my mailing list, which you can find at www.pushforlife.eu. I'm going to be sending out a discount code tomorrow, so make sure if you are interested in getting this new course or any of my other courses for that matter at a discounted rate, you go and sign up at my mailing list, because I will not be giving out this discount code on any other of the platforms. Now, this course is designed for people who are already musicians or singer-songwriters who would like to get into Ableton Live, but they just can't get their head around it. So I'm starting from scratch, but it is for people who have a good understanding of how music works. Let me know what you think, and I will see you tomorrow when I release the course. All the best for now. Take it easy. Peace.